Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat is a camera app. To continue, you will need to allow camera access in setting. For example, if you have recently installed Snapchat on your iPhone and you see this kind of error on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, you have to scroll it down and you will find the Snapchat here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to make sure that this toggle is turned on. And if it is turned off, then you have to turn on this toggle so that the camera setting can be provided to the Snapchat. If it is already turned on and you are still seeing this kind of error, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to again go into settings, and after that, what you have to do, you have to go to general, and after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting your network setting, you have to go back. And here what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to turn it off again so that your internet connection can refresh. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on App Store and you have to simply search for Snapchat. And here you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Snapchat, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the latest Snapchat version on App Store. So in this way, you can simply fix the problem. If the problem is still there, then you can simply uninstall or remove Snapchat from your iPhone. And after that, you have to download Snapchat on your iPhone again from the App Store. So hope this will fix your error. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat again and you will not see any kind of error like that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.